Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. If you love great, easy-to-make desserts, then get ready because today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing old-fashioned peach cobbler that's exactly like my grandma used to make because it's her recipe. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my perfect peach cobbler, the ingredients I'll be using are 6 to 8 ripe peaches, and keep in mind it can take 3 to 5 days after buying them to ripen, so plan ahead. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of melted butter or margarine, and finally cinnamon to taste. First, cut your peach in half and then in quarters. Remove the pit and the peel using your paring knife if necessary. You can cut your fruit directly into your baking dish so there's no need for more dirty dishes. A 9x9 is fine, but I'm using this circular dish for fun. Your dish should be full of peaches up to about 1 inch from the top. Now it's time to heat your oven to 350 degrees. While it's warming up, mix together your flour, sugar, and baking powder. Lightly beat your egg with a fork, and then combine the dry ingredients with the egg. Keep stirring until the dry flour is fully incorporated. Your topping will be crumbly. Crumble your topping evenly over the peaches. Then drizzle your melted butter over the crumb topping. Next, dust with cinnamon, and yes, I like a lot. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes. Check your cobbler after 45 minutes. I know I have a lot of cinnamon here, so it's a little hard to see on camera, but you want the crumb topping to be lightly browned. If you're not sure, you can test by tapping the top lightly with the back of a spoon. It should feel hard and crunchy. If it's not done, pop it back in the oven and check at 5-minute intervals. This one took 55 minutes total. Once your cobbler's done, let it cool for about 30 minutes and serve warm. Classic, simple desserts like this can become happy family traditions handed down from generation to generation. So be sure and involve the kids or grandkids when you make this and pass on the flavor and the memories. It's another delicious way to bring your family to the dinner table where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.
All to the